Oh boy, should I do this? Should I not? I don't know.
Fuck you! Good looking to me. I've never heard you hurt me. Get out of my car. Get out.
Okay. Hey, this isn't enough. Hey, come on.
We're good.
Calm down, man.
Dude. You fucking bitch.
Listen.
Look what you did to me. Fuck you. Look what you did to my lip.
Dude.
Leave me alone. Yeah, you pounded on me. Fuck you.
I just wanted to break it up, you know?
30 years.
I understand, but I just wanted to break it up.
Fuck you. I don't have your fucking keys.
Okay.
Bro. You didn't, come here.
What's up?
Come here.
Yeah.
You didn't see what just happened, did you?
Yeah.
You did?
Yeah. It's
I
not
was
a...
trying to kill her.
It's not a big deal.
No, come here.
No.
Fuck you. No, come here.
It is listen.
A big deal. It is a big deal.
Yeah.
You didn't see what just happened, did you?
Yeah.
You did?
Yeah. It's not
I was trying to kill her.
It's not a big deal.
No, come here.
No.
Fuck you. No, come here.
Listen.
It is a big deal.
Okay, well then, do you want me to call the police?
We've been married 30 years.
Okay, but do you want me to call the police?
No.
Okay, well then.
Cops, tell them. No.
Listen, you guys are just acting a little wild and you're blowing the spot up.
We're bleeding.
I understand that. It's getting a little fucking crazy.
Dude, we're married for 30 years.
I got you, but you gotta stop beating the shit out of each other.
The fuck, she's beating the fuck out of me.
I know it's going back and forth, but I just had to stop it, that's all.
Come here, I need love. Give her love. Go over there, please.
Listen, I don't want to get involved in you guys' shit, you know? I just couldn't have you fucking...
Friend.
I'm being a friend. Listen, I'm being a friend to you guys, but I'm not getting involved.
Tell them we're so... Tell them how alone we are. Tell them the truth. Tell them the truth.
Where are you guys from?
Alaska.
Alaska? Okay. Well, I mean... Hey.
Don't leave us. Come here.
Okay, listen, I'm here.
Come on.
No, I'm not trying to get involved in you guys' shit, you know? But I just couldn't have that shit going on, okay?
He's looking at me bad, baby.
No, it's not.
He's looking at me bad. He's looking like I'm beating my shit out of my wife.
Hey bro, what part of Alaska are you from?
Fuck you, beating her.
You from Alaska?
Yeah, I'm from Alaska. Yeah. What part of Alaska are you from?
Baby.
You guys from Anchorage?
Toke.
Oh shit. There's a lot of poke out there.
He saw me beating. drink?
No. I'm pretty straight
You
dude.
smoke weed?
Every once in a while, but I
You
haven't.
party? I mean, you
No.
got a space?
No. Shit is crazy. I don't get it. I want to go back to my truck, but I don't want him seeing me going into my truck. I don't want them fucking with me, man. I should have just called the cops.
We are what? That was it.